Loreli here with WTI. Are you looking for a good pair of running shoes? Then let me tell you why I think you should consider the Saucony Axon 3. After doing some research, I found out that I tend to step with the other part of my feet when I run, so I needed something that could support that. That's when I came across the Saucony Axon 3. At first, I wasn't quite sure about the big sole, but once I went for my first run in them, oh my god, what a difference. The comfort, the support I felt, I mean, it was definitely a game changer. In fact, I went from an average of 830 per kilometer pace to a 750 per kilometer on an easy run. It was just so much easier and much more enjoyable for me. The cushioning in these shoes is amazing. I feel like I'm running on clouds, to be honest. Plus, they keep my feet aligned, which is super important given how I run. So, if you're in the hunt for comfortable and reliable running shoes and you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars, you should definitely check out the Saucony Axon 3. You won't regret it. And that is my point of view.